Sono Romana di Falco. And we try to make lovely gnocchi. Gnocchi.
Romana is from Calabria but lives near London. Romana chops up an onion and fries it with a sliced chili pepper. She adds fresh cherry tomatoes, salt and a bay leaf. This is the sauce for her gnocchi.
Mettiamo 2 alla volta e si pressa.
She rices 4 large potatoes while they are still hot.
Lovely soft.
She adds about 500 grams of plain flour. Romana says to keep adding flour until the potatoes don't absorb any more. Granddaughter Georgina helps.
Yeah. The potato takes a lot of flour.
Yeah.
She kneads the mixture to make a smooth dough.
Facile.
It's not very easy, actually. It takes
For me it's very, very easy.
They knead and then roll out dough ropes. They cut pieces the size of a large olive and roll them with their fingertips along the board.
Warm,
It is, yeah.
Yes.
If you've got lumpy potato,
Yeah,
then
no.
you're never going to have good gnocchi.
Good quality potato and the flour.
Romana came to Britain 60 years ago with £20 in her pocket and worked in the National Health Service. These days, she helps Georgina run a supper club.
E una goccia d'olio.
Romana finishes the tomato sauce with some olive oil for flavour. She cooks the gnocchi in boiling salted water and drains them thoroughly.
That's it. Il piatto.
Then she dresses them with the tomato sauce and plenty of grated pecorino cheese. Calabrians love their peperoncino.
Peperoncino chi lo vuole.
This is a spicy, heartwarming dish.
Tutto pronto. Pronto per mangiare. Perfetto.
Buon appetito!
Buon appetito. Buon appetito.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.